California Form MC-030 is a declaration, a written statement of facts submitted to a court under penalty of perjury instead of live testimony. Attorneys and parties file them with motions, oppositions, or in place of appearing in person. Today we'll fill one out for Anna Baker, who is representing herself in a civil case. The top left box is for your name and address as the filer. Enter your name first, then your street address, then city, state, and zip. Below that, add a phone number. If you have an attorney, the attorney fills this in instead. Enter the case number assigned by the court. Fill in the court department and then the case name as it appears on your filed documents, typically plaintiff versus defendant. The body of the declaration is where you state the facts, right in the first person. Each statement should be something you personally know to be true. Anna briefly describes the key facts about her tenancy and the security deposit she has not received back. At the bottom, fill in the city where you are signing and the date. Check the box showing who you are, attorney for, party, or other. Print your name on the last line, then sign on the signature line above it by hand. Attach the completed declaration to your motion or opposition and file it with the court. You must sign in front of a notary only if the form requires a notarized signature. For most California civil declarations, your printed name and the penalty of perjury statement are sufficient. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.